I was at SLRC at Roush, and Joe was there shaking down his buggy. You could see in the background, that's my old chassis. And my motor blew, and he said, not a big deal. We can knock it out in a day or two. Bring it on by. So I really appreciate all the help that he gave me and let me make a whole mess of his shop. And we got it pretty much out in one day and then in and buttoned up in 2 days. I didn't take a whole lot of videos, but we had to replace a couple gaskets on this motor, and I'm glad we did, because actually the tensioner for the timing chain was basically broken, and we had to do a DOD delete, which is displacement on demand. We got that all knocked out and then just started swapping parts over. Mike putting on his new 43-inch tires from his 40s. Swapped everything over.
fucking belt.
Dump some oil on the header wrap.
Yeah, a little bit. It sounds like you got an exhaust leak over
Yeah, I have to tighten it up again. But she fires up.
Fire right up, bro.
High five. We test drove it around, ran great, loaded on the trailer. Again, thanks to Joe and his family and Mike for all the help. We are ready to head to Field and Forest. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the trail.